Are you looking at starting your online teaching academy? Want to turn your passion into profitable online education business? We are proud to announce in Task LMS, you can design your learning path. Start uploading your content. Take live classes. Conduct online exams. And even manage your offline classroom program. Get the best and start engaging your learners to build your super online community. Now it's time to expand your education business and grow your revenue. All you have to do is visit Task LMS. Hello everyone, welcome back. You are just one step away from making an attractive and interactive course. I'm sure you must have watched the previous videos about LMS and online learning, and you must have understood how effective in everyone's life. So keeping these things in mind, we are going to make a very wonderful course in this platform. I'm sure you must have now identified your area of interest and you must be ready with your course content that what you are going to upload. So to make this process simpler, I'm going to give you few tips how all the video types that you can record. Voiceover video. Now I have given you one example. I am teaching English in my channel. So here I have just given few words and pictures that I am just giving a voiceover where the students will just learn from the examples and the picture related to it. This is very simple. You have to do this with your PPT and you can just give your word animation and picture animation is more than enough. Next type, head video. What you are watching here, this is called talking head video, where you are going to present yourself in front of the camera and you are going to give some tips, ideas, instructions, whatever may be. The students can just refer to it and use them. Next is screen record and talking head together. For this I used my mobile phone free screen recording app and I used a simple PPT with a small attractive picture. That's all. Here you can both show your face and also your slide together where you don't have to work on extra animation. Next type is the overhead recording. This is useful if you are doing some art and craft related work, if you are going to solve some sums, if you are doing some engineering related diagrams, all these kinds of use kind of recording, which is very simple. You can place your mobile the way I have shown. I have displayed two different ways of holding your mobile to record this. So this is the second type. You can hold your mobile phone this way also and record the video where your voice will also be recorded automatically. It's a very simple and effective way to show your art and craft and any diagrams. Next tool is using your Zoom recording and pen tool. You all must have now experienced doing a Zoom meeting. In that you have a record option. You can record your own video. If possible, you can use pen tool where you can also use your whiteboard instead of a pen tool. Both works in the same way. You can do this kind of recording also. Next is a PC or laptop screen recording using free software. I have given two software details here. One, free screen recording or OBS software. Both of them. Both works in the same way. You can record, you can see the screen and also your voice can also be recorded in this. select the screen that you want to show, the size, and you can also select the resolution that you want your video to be in. So you can also select your video resolution, and this is the output. And next, this is my favorite creative animation video. This is very good. Are you new online? I'm going to give you 5 useful tips. 1. It should be student-centered education. Make sure you guide the students who are enrolling. How to guide? You should have a proper lesson plan with achievable objectives beforehand. So you are going to guide the students to take their own steps to have a self-learning approach. So they shouldn't be dependent all the time. They have to take up the course by themselves. Next, it should be an engaging content because our attention span is very less. So having engaging contents with video, infographics, animation, explainer video, lecture video, articles and assignments gives the better learning experience for the students who have enrolled in your course. 3. Be available to bridge the gaps. Make sure if the students have any doubts, you can contact them through the mail, and they can also reach you to ask some doubts in some places where they have to apply. That makes your teaching more effective and meaningful for the person who have enrolled for your course. Step 4. Be ready to learn new things. This is very important. As a learner, we have to keep learning new technologies. We need to be updated. All you can do is create a positive digital footprint. Learn, unlearn and relearn. Step 5. Feedbacks, reviews and improvements. This is very important in creating your online course. You can get the feedback from the students and you can keep improving your course. Just because situation is bad doesn't mean education has to suffer. You are in the right place to share your content. These are the websites I use for my content. You can use them too. Making all these kinds of videos together makes the class more attractive. Now the choice is yours, and there are multiple ways of making the classroom, the course more attractive. So now, after this video, just take your mobile phone, start recording. Don't expect your first video to be a perfect one. To give yourself few try. Rehearse yourself and then put out your effective video for the wonderful students out there. Let your service help multiple students in this platform. Thank you for watching.